Good evening, YouTube. So I did that video on the worms, those black worms, parasites in the masks, and I decided to go one step further. So I got this digital microscope on Amazon, and it was 40 bucks, which isn't bad. This is the box it came in, portable digital microscope. 40 bucks. And I ordered a box of masks, and I'm going to open them up and show you that they're still wrapped. These are brand new, still in their wrapping, and they're of course from China. So I'm just going to show you that in the back. Oh wait, where is it? Let's see what it says here. I know it's got to say China right there, made in China. Okay, so the setup is we're going to use 2 cups to hold the mask out flush underneath the microscope, and then I'm going to pour some semi-boiling water, some hot water with steam in here, and we're going to see if we can get the worms to come out and say hello. Okay, so I'm going to get everything set up, and then we're going to start this experiment. Okay, so we haven't put the water in yet, but I'm just showing you. So there's all these fibers inside the mask. These are black fibers. Now I'm wondering if these things are going to start moving once we add some hot water, some steam, and some heat. But these are very strange looking inside the fibers of you can see the mask is the blue. The mask is the blue, and these other fibers are something else. Let me see if I can't really zoom in good, but these are all hodgepodge all over the place. So I'm going to add the water, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, it didn't take us more than 10 seconds to find one. And it's moving. You can see it moving, right?
Oh my God.
It's moving. Okay, so we started out, let me leave it up there. I'm just going to talk while this thing moves. We started out on the blue side, and then I said to myself, you don't breathe from the blue side. You breathe from the white side. So we flipped it over, and boom. This is in the corner, right? So we started doing like a grid mapping. We started on the bottom and worked across. We started in this corner here, and we didn't get that far. And there he is, and he's wiggling. Look at him wiggling around. And we're going to see if we can agitate him. Well, I'm going to do what that guy did. I'm going to put the phone close and then pull the phone away. Let's see what happens. Oh, hold on. Let me use a different phone. Phone close. Phone away. Phone close. Phone away. Well, he is going up and down. You see that? That's the phone close. And then I take it away. He moves. He's sticking out on the top. You see, he's moving further out like he wants to go into somebody's nose. You see how he's coming out? And that's the water droplets from the steam. Okay? That is, right there. So we're going to look some more in the mask. But I'm going to tell you right this. When we flipped it over, before it started to get really hot and moist, this guy was inside the mesh, and he worked its way out. Okay, you can't even see it. I'm going to try and zoom in there. You can't even see where he is. That's how small this guy is. But there he is. Okay? This is a brand new mask, and we actually pulled it from the middle of the pack. I said, let's pull it from the middle of the pack, not from the top or the bottom, where people might have touched it as they were packing it, but we know it's done by machines anyhow. It's the freeze, the wrapping is done by machine. So I mean, this is proof positive right here. These are brand new masks in a box from China. Okay, and there's your worm. And I'm just showing you the date. It's November 24th, 2022 at 7:10 p.m. It's on Thanksgiving. And praise God for giving us the insight and giving us the discernment to find these things and figure this out and to do our own experiments. We're going to look some more and see how many of these things we can find in the mask. Okay? We'll be right back. Just wanted to zoom in again one more time because this guy's moving around a lot now. You see the whole body is moving. He's trying to find his target, his victim. He's completely out of the mask now. And he's wiggling around. He's got the top of his whatever you want to, I don't know, the head, the tail, I don't know what's what. That's sticking straight up like it's ready to get breathed in by your nose or your mouth. Did you see that?
Oh!
Did you see that?
Oh my God.
So that part just went back into the mask. This part is sticking out. He just went back into the mask.
Oh, he's working himself in.
He's working himself back into the mask. That's how fast these bastards can move. Are you seeing this?
Oh my.
I'm glad I turned it back on to catch that. All right, we'll be right back. We're going to try and find some more. Okay, we're going to try another pack of masks. These are, my daughter was using this in school. So these are paper masks again, but they're pink. And they are made in China, just like all the rest of them. Okay, so we're going to try. This is what they look like. We're gonna put that in there. We're going to move this other. We found what we think were two other worms, but they weren't moving. One was red, actually, and one was black. But I didn't film it because they weren't moving. So we're going to put this one on, and we're going to try. I'll be right back. Okay, after looking for like a minute, we found one. And look at it, it's moving. It's moving. This mask is 2 years old. My daughter had it in her backpack for school when they used to have to wear the masks. And this thing is still alive. You see that? And it was literally, it was in the mask. And as I put the water, I put the hot water under it. It, as you can see, it's two of them. It's actually two of them together. And it's moving. See that? You just saw that moving right there. Well, there you have it. So that's two separate masks from two different places. One is 2 years old. One is brand new in a box. And we found two other worms in this mask. We found two more, but they weren't moving. So I didn't. Okay, what happened to it? Did you guys hit it or something?
No.
You had to have. Oh, what? You just, there we go. Okay, we're back on it. So there you go, and you can see it moving.
Yeah, the little top.
All right, I think that's conclusive evidence. I'm not going to go through any more because every one of these masks, I guarantee you, has these worms in it. So there you have it. I got this microscope so we could look at them up close, and there you have it. I'm sorry about the pixelation on the screen. The screen looks much better in person. If I go back, you can probably no, it still pixelates when I zoom in. So anyhow, there you go. I don't know what else to tell you. That's proof positive to me. Don't ever wear these masks. These things are infected. These things are they're all black. And these things are activated by hot water. This is steamy water we put in here, water and moisture. And the other way to activate it is if you blow on the mask. Go ahead and blow on it. Blow on it a little bit. Do you see it moving? Go ahead, blow again. You blow on that mask, it triggers them to, look at that. It triggers them to move. So there you go. All right, people, God bless and stay safe. Okay, my daughter caught one. This is how big. This is the tip of these tweezers. No, no, leave it there. Leave it there so you don't lose. Now you're not under. And you can see, it's not focusing good. Oh, it is focusing. No, I'm not focusing good. Okay, I'm going to come back. You see it moving around? You can see it. Okay, there. Stop moving. Stop moving.
I can't.
Hold your hand with the other hand to stabilize it. Stop. Move.
Hold on, hold on. Está.
Okay, there we go. In focus. My daughter caught it. And this guy is moving around. I mean, you can see that's the tip of these tweezers. And these tweezers are tiny tipped. And you can see how tiny these worms are. Okay? And he was trying to burrow back into the mask. And she was able to grab. I can't focus in good. Let me come back out. No, stop moving. Stop moving. There you go. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you can see now. See how he's moving back and forth? So there you go. There's one live in captivity. Okay?
And
God
you
bless.
can't see it